the short vowel sound, ah, ah, ah. Some words that begin with the short O sound, otter, octopus, ox, ostrich. A word that is not the same sound is orange, and I see that a lot in schoolwork. Orange, that's a different sound completely. That is not ah, orange, not ah at all. So I would not start with that one. You give them too many sounds for one letter, it's just confusing. Just stick with ah, not the word orange, so that we see and hear what the sound sounds like when it's in a word. Mop, pop, hog, box, dog, cop, log, top, pot, fox. And that's short O. Ah, ah, ah.